An MTR, or a Microsoft Teams room, is a room-centric solution that dedicates a meeting room to a single video conferencing platform, Microsoft Teams in this case. MTRs are typically used in companies that standardize on Microsoft Teams as the preferred video conferencing platform. It mainly facilitates conference calls and hybrid meetings. The Microsoft Teams room can be powered by Android or by Windows, often offered as pre-installed bundles by different vendors. There are two types of MTR setups. The first is a module setup, and the second is based around an all-in-one collaboration bar. A license is required to run an MTR. A modular setup consists of separate hardware components like a camera, microphone, speakers, display, compute unit, and touch controller. The all-in-one bar combines the compute unit, audio, and video components into one device. You can seamlessly integrate any ClickShare device with an MTR setup to offer wireless presentation and improved user experience. With the CX50 second generation in particular, you can automatically switch any MTR setup and enable Bring Your Own Meeting. BYOM enables users to start a video call from their own device and use the audio and video setup of the meeting room. Want to know how? Watch our demo on how the automatic switching with ClickShare exactly works.